In this video, you'll learn how to access the AAA. By following these steps, you will be able to locate helpful resources regarding the platform's features and support options. Begin by launching the Perplexity AI application or navigate into the website. Once you are on the main interface, look for your profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a person or an avatar. Next, click on your profile icon. This action will open a menu with various options related to your account and application settings. You should see a list of choices including help, among other features. After locating the help option, select it by clicking on it. This will direct you to a new screen where you will find a variety of resources designed to assist you. On this new page, you will see different sections such as FAQs, guides, and support options. The FAQs will provide quick answers to common questions and concerns regarding the use of Perplexity AI. Take a moment to browse through the FAQs and guides available to you. This resource can be very beneficial if you are looking for specific information or troubleshooting assistance. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.